Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Your phone supports eSIM and is unlocked. You have your passport and a payment method ready. Once that's done, open the Klook app and sign in. Make sure your account details match the passport name. You pick the travel dates first because activation depends on start date. Then choose duration options like 1, 3, 7, or 30 days to match your itinerary. This saves back and forth during checkout and prevents activation conflicts. You now search Klook for eSIMs for your destination and compare plans by GB, speed, and validity. Prioritize plans listing 5G or required bands if you need fast data. Once you pick a plan, tap Details to confirm device compatibility. This is crucial because different vendors restrict models. Then select the exact activation date. Choose the first travel day unless you need immediate access. Finally, apply any promo codes during checkout and carefully read. You finish by paying through the Klook checkout. After confirmation, you'll receive a QR or activation code in the app or email. Save it. To install, go to Settings, right arrow Cellular, right arrow Add Cellular Plan, then scan the QR or input the code. Make sure the correct line is labeled for travel. Once installed, turn off Wi-Fi and test data. If you don't get service, toggle airplane mode and reboot. If problems persist, recheck compatibility and activation date. Contact Klook support with screenshots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.